Introducing Web Dashboard version 10.1.6. One of our new features enables you to create sensor templates. Save complex settings and apply them organization-wide. Our advice: create standardized sensor templates to quickly bring all existing sensors to a uniform standard with just a few clicks. Ensure that warning and intervention thresholds, as well as alarm settings, are consistently applied. This feature can save you up to 80% of your time when setting up new sensors at different locations. Additionally, you can now view the sensor overview page in full screen mode without needing to reload it during updates. This means you can keep a constant eye on your sensors. The pause mode has been enriched by two significant updates. First, we've extended the HACCP pause functionality to the IoT module. Second, non-administrators with the appropriate permissions can now set up and manage pauses for individual locations. The HACCP module also has a fantastic new feature, a much improved QR code printing option. You can now group, name and print multiple QR codes on a single page. It works for both checklists and confirmation types within tasks. This is a major improvement for customers who extensively rely on QR codes. In the auditing module, we've finally fulfilled a frequently asked for request. You can now share audit previews in PDF format with colleagues for review and discussion, without needing to grant them access to the audit module. This will ease the creation process for complex audits. Alongside these new features, there are numerous UI and performance optimizations, as well as bug fixes.